Music is one of the oldest and most universal forms of human expression. Every culture in the world has its own musical traditions, instruments, and styles. From classical music to rock, jazz, pop, and hip-hop, there are hundreds of different genres to enjoy. Music can make us feel happy, sad, excited, or relaxed. It is a powerful way to express emotions and connect with other people. Before the internet, people listened to music on the radio, on vinyl records, or on cassette tapes. Today, music is available everywhere and at any time thanks to streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. You can listen to millions of songs from all over the world with just a few clicks on your phone. Entertainment goes beyond music. Movies, television series, video games, and podcasts are all popular forms of entertainment today. Streaming services like Netflix and Disney Plus have changed the way we watch movies and series. Instead of going to the cinema or waiting for a program on television, we can now watch whatever we want, whenever we want, from the comfort of our own home. Live entertainment is also very popular. Millions of people go to concerts, theater shows, sports events, and comedy shows every year. There is something special about experiencing live entertainment with other people. The energy of the crowd and the excitement of the moment make it an unforgettable experience. Whatever your taste, entertainment is an important part of life. It helps us relax, escape from daily stress, and enjoy special moments with the people we love.